The reason for making this video is today I had bread to eat but no butter. So I decided to make peanut butter. To make peanut butter, we need sugar, peanuts and vegetable oil. After blending all the items together, now the paste should be like this. Okay, it's all done now. It's ready to be served with bread, chapati or anything of your choice. So during this lockdown, utilize more time to spend with your family members. Try learning a new skill if possible. So that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.